Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to solve this hacker problem based on the string. Question name is given, making anagram. Anagram is a string which can be reordered to make the to a string is called anagram if we can rearrange the order of the string and it will be the same as the second string. For the example, here is a given BAC DC and DC BAC. Both string are anagram of each other because frequency of a specific character like B in the first string is 1 and here is also 1, and D frequency of a D is 1 and here is also 1. C for C is 2, in this string C is also 2 and A is 1. But if you will look in this string BAC DC, okay, frequency of the D here is 2 but in the first string is only 1. Okay, Alice is taking a cryptography class to finding the anagram to be a very useful. She decide on the encrypting a scheme involving two large strings where encryption is dependent on the minimum number of character deletion required to make the two string anagram. Okay, we will given two string and we can delete any number of character from the any and will so that we can find the anagram string. For this example, given string is S1 is ABC and S2 is AMNOP. AMNOP. In the both string only A is common so that we can remove DC from the string S1 and MNOP from the string S2, and how many character we should delete from the both string. We have to return the number of count, like we deleted 2 character from the S1 and 4 character from the S2. Okay, so for the function description we will be given our two strings and we have to find out how many character needs to delete from a specific one or both, so that the remaining string can be anagram string. Similarly, this is the first sample test case, CDE and AB. In the both strings, C is only common. We should delete DE from the first string and AB from the second string, and the count for the deletion number of the character will be 4, so that here 4 is returned. Okay, let's move to the coding part. I am going to work with the list, so that I am creating a list 1 is equal to s1 dot toList. I am converting a given string into toList. I am copying the same line of code and pasting for the creating a second list. We need some time length of this string, so I am calculating list 1 dot count. Count property will count the how many elements present in the current list. List 2 dot count. Okay, and creating a temporary variable so that we can count how many character is common in the both string. I am using for each loop to iterate item from the any list. I'm taking list 1 where C in list 1 if list 2 dot contains C, then I'm removing list 2 dot remove C and count plus plus. I'm incrementing count. Okay. How many character we remove from the second string, which is common in the first string? That is the number of the character we remove from the second string. I am counting in the count variable, and finally we have to return how many character we deleted from the both string. I am deleting only from the second string, so that I already created this is the total number of character present in the both string that I stored into the sum, and subtracting, and the count count variable is storing only the common string from the list 2, so that we need to multiply it by 2. So this will be the total number of a string we need to remove from the first string. Okay. No, this will be the total number of uh, character common in the both string, and if we will take this multiply by 2, then and subtract from the total number total items from some of the total number of s1 and s2, then it will return the deleted string. Let's run this code. Yes, all test case simple test case passed. Let me submit this code for the validation. I hope it will also pass the all test cases. Yes, it all passed the test cases. For explanation, if I will take list 1 has value like A, B, C, and list 2 has value C, D, and A. Some number of the element present in the list 1 is equal to 3, and in this also 3, so 3, and sum of these will be the 6. So I am total is equal to 6. I am iterating from the list 1, that is uh, the first element will be the A. List 2 is not containing A, so we will not remove from the list 2 and will not increment the counter variable, and B is also not contained in the list 2, but C is contained in the list 2, so we will remove C from the list 2, and the counter variable will be incremented by 1. So finally we will at the end of this for loop we will exit from the for each loop, and we already calculated number of the item present in the both list, that is 3 plus 3 6, and one item we removed from the list 2, and we need to remove uh, uh, that was the common in the list 2, so I'm multiplying by 2 so that this will be the total number of element uh, present in the both list, and 6 minus 2, 1 into 2 is equal to 2, 6 minus 2 will be the 4 number of 4 item needs to be removed from the list. Guys, if you like this video, then don't forget to share with your friend, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the like button. Thank you.